Hey, it's Tom again. I got to babbling so much I forgot to actually turn the radio on, and I've changed my cell phone so it gives you a close-up picture of this Sony multifunction boombox. And this is what was considered a boombox back in the days when it came out. I How anybody carried this thing, I don't know. It weighs 20 pounds without batteries. It's AC or DC. I got it on DC. Takes 10 D-size batteries plus 4 AA batteries. So this thing must be 40, 50 pounds by the time you get all those batteries in it. Anyway, I want to turn it on and let you listen to it for a second because the sound is awesome. So let's go to here again. There's so many buttons. Let's go to tuner.
Well, Ryan, as you say, we're learning every day. Scientists are learning every day more about this virus, and we're going to continue to learn. And that's why.
Okay, you won't be able to tell how good the sound is because of my cell phone that I'm using for a camera. Let me real quickly go to an FM station that actually plays music. Let me see if I can find one.
Have been
tuning is here. Where is that station? There. Okay, that's enough. Got lots of bass. Has this, it's about a 4 or 5 inch speaker, plus another speaker here for bass and a resident, not resident. You know what I mean? A little port, resonant. No, that's not the right word. Anyway, a real port, a little port here. It's too early in the morning. Well, I get up early, so I can't even use that excuse. Like I say, the sound quality is great. We can go play the CD for a microsecond. You hit play and let it start. The sound is awesome. It's got awesome sound. I'd be tempted to keep this, but like I say, this is part of my recycling, so I'm going to give this away to somebody that needs it. So actually needs it. And I struggle a little bit because sometimes I get people asking for something, and then I find out later it's on Craigslist. So I got to be a little careful of that. So I have to make sure that the people that are asking me for one are really in need of it, not going to resell it. Anyway, that's it. I just had forgotten to play it for you, and I wanted to do that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.